হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ড, ওয়েলকাম টু ফিটনেস টিপস। ফ্রেন্ড, আজকে আমি শুধুমাত্র ডাম্বেল দিয়ে বাড়িতে কোন ব্যায়ামগুলো করে বডি বানাবেন সেই চার্টটি দেখিয়ে দেবো। তো যারা আমাদের চ্যানেলটি এখন পর্যন্ত সাবস্ক্রাইব করেননি তারা সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নিন এবং পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি বাজিয়ে দিন পরবর্তী নোটিফিকেশন পাওয়ার জন্য। ফুল ওয়েট ওয়ার্কআউট প্ল্যান অ্যাট হোম উইথ ডাম্বেল আন্ডার বিলো। Tips before we start: exercise 6 days a week and rest 1 day. Warm up for 8 to 10 minutes before starting the exercise. Give 12 to 20 reps if required. Do not rest within 1 to 3 sets. When the set is complete, rest for 1 to 2 minutes and drink some water. Above all, take the help of trainer or classmate. Saturday chest workout. Push-ups 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Decline push-ups 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Incline push-ups 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Dumbbell fly on floor 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Dumbbell scoops 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Dumbbell chest press brace 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Sunday back workout. Pull-ups 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Bent over row 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Dumbbell deadlift 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. One arm dumbbell rows 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Monday bicep workout. Dumbbell curls 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Concentration curls 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Hammer curls 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Dumbbell high curls 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Dumbbell reverse wrist curls 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Tuesday tricep and abs. Close grip push-ups 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Tricep breast dips 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Bent over kickback 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. One arm tricep extension 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Decline tricep push-ups 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. pull-ins, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Russian twist with dumbbell, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Rounds, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Leg rise on floor, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. PPT plank, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Side plank with hip drop, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Mountain climber, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Roll ups, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Side jack bench, 3 sets of 15. Wednesday, shoulder workout. Seated bent over rise, 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Front dumbbell rise, 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Dumbbell lateral rise, 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Dumbbell bent over lateral rise, 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Dumbbell seated shoulder press, 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Seated dumbbell front rise, 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Thursday, legs workout. Split squat, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Lateral lunge, 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Dumbbell big drop lunge, 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Dumbbell squats, 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Dumbbell step up, 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Hip thrust glutes, 3 sets of 20 to 20 reps. Dumbbell seated calf rise, 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Friday, rest time to recover muscle and continue on next day. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel.